Habibi, my love. Habibi, I have a promotion tank for you, Habibi. Look at this beautiful tank. This is a stream tank, perfectly for your goldfish, Habibi. The size is 4 foot and the depth is 2 feet and the height is 40 cm, Habibi. Look at the filtration system, Habibi. Look, this is Habibi approved. Habibi approved. Look at this dry and wet separation and a lot of big space for your biomedia. It's good tank, crystal clear. The original price for this tank is 4,599 ringgit. But for now, Habibi, you come to me, Habibi. Habibi, come to me. Come to me, Habibi. This Habibi tank is only selling for 2,990 ringgit. 2,990. We can send anywhere to West Malaysia, free delivery. If you want to come to our showroom to see all of our tanks, come Ultima Chana Setia Alam. This is Malaysia. We open from 12 to 12. Habibi, my love.